Visa is just for the entry, and per entry you can stay for 3 months. I was asking, why do you like cherry guava so
Sour
much?
and sweet. Good taste.
This is her favorite toys. Relatively cheap, baby. Do you want to change your diaper, or do you want to save daddy's 20 cents? Is it quite common in Indian moms? मेरा क्यूट सा बेबी उठ के आ गया मस्त अपनी नींद निकाल के. How long did she sleep today?
I don't know when she slept. I don't know how much she slept.
Yesterday she slept for 3 hours.
Yeah.
Oh, she's trying to sit. Here, hold it.
Here.
You hold it.
Hold on.
This toy.
Why?
Pull it. Look at this. No, you keep on holding. And now I will leave it. And the neck goes back. Such a cool thing, but she still doesn't like it.
She doesn't understand it yet.
The best things that she loves to play with is my leg hair or some empty plastic bottle. This is her favorite toys. Such a relatively cheap baby. Doesn't require much of daddy and mommy's money. See? Loves to play with this.
I smell pee.
Because we haven't changed her diaper yet. She's been sleeping for past 2.5 hours. It must be full.
I think we should change it.
Do you want to change your diaper, or do you want to save daddy's 20 cents? 20 cents or 50 cents?
I don't know.
There's a eyelash. You want to make a wish? Oh, eyes are exactly like mine. Exactly. There's an eyelash. Oi, sorry, baby. Oi, rup ja. Do you want to take it out?
It will fall.
It will fall. The wish will be wasted. Don't you want to wish? Wait.
Don't hurt her. That's so disgusting. Hey, don't hurt her.
My saliva will
She
catch
doesn't
it.
like it. She doesn't like it. Hey, you touched her eye.
No, I didn't. Oh, it's on the cheek now. Here you go. I got it. Who wants to make a wish? You or your daughter? Here, you make it.
You do it.
You make it.
You do it.
My wishes are really long. People will get bored.
Make it long.
No.
Take your time.
No.
Go.
Here. It's
Go
your daughter's
Go away.
eyelash. No,
Go
you.
away.
Please.
I had
One.
enough wishes.
One. Here. Ask for it. Why can't you just blow like this?
I like to hold on to it until I let it go.
What is she thinking? Oh, again, one thing I forgot to tell you. She also likes buttons. So she likes to play with the buttons. Weird stuff she loves to play with.
Some bells, buckles, doorknobs, fence, the cone on the road.
The cone on the road.
Yeah.
Wow.
Rubbish bin. String on a toy.
Huh?
I have to shower her today.
You have to shower you today. You dirty baby. Look at them. How they're looking at me. What happened? I just came back from gym. Why are you staring at me?
You look beautiful.
Okay. बहुत ही खूबसूरत सी धूप निकली हुई है भाई. एकदम आंखों में लग रही है. ऐसी धूप निकली है, लेकिन बिल्कुल भी हवा नहीं चल रही है. जिस चीज़ की हमें पहले टेंशन थी ना कि भाई साइक्लोन है, 2-3 दिन बहुत बुरा हाल रहेगा. Can you ever be more nicer? It's a family vlog channel. Most of the times all the stupid stuff comes out of your mouth. So yeah, we were concerned about the cyclone, but see, no impact. Not even one leaf is moving, see?
Yeah, this leaf is moving.
So we have come out for a long walk with our baby girl. Not talking about her, talking about her. It's an amazing day. Since morning it was raining, but now it's really sunny. Perfect time, right?
Yes.
She just finished her work and she was all ready to go out as well. She's like, okay, perfect timing. I finished my work, there's no winds, there's sun, let's go out for a walk.
Yes.
And look at her. Look at this cutie. Cutie. Let's go. आज फिर से देखो वॉक करते करते यहीं पे फिर से रुक गई. इसको तो बस चेरी गुआवा दिख जाए, ये है कि बस उठा लो. पर चलो ठीक भी है, वैसे भी वेस्ट ही होने पड़े हैं यहाँ पे. लोग उस पर स्टेप करके जा रहे हैं, तो इसको है कि भाई नहीं, मैं तो लेके जाऊंगी.
Here we go.
Happy?
Yes.
Why do you like cherry guavas so much? So she's gone back again. I was asking, why do you like cherry guava so
Sour
much?
and sweet. Good taste.
Okay. She loves fruits, by the way. This is one thing that I've noticed about her. Not just this one fruit, but she loves fruits. Anytime you enter our house, there will be so many fruits. Most of the time, those fruits get decayed and we throw them.
What do you mean most of?
Most of the times, you are not even able to finish those fruits. And they get bad and then we throw them in dustbin.
No, we didn't.
So hopefully when my mom will be here, she won't let it happen, because this is something that she used to teach me as well. Never waste food, otherwise she used to beat me. So I don't waste food, she also doesn't waste food, so sorted. What a weird fiasco it was going on with my mother. By the way, my mother, as you guys know, that she came last year. So her visa was for 1 year, and on her visa condition it was clearly mentioned that you can come for 6 months in this 12 months period, multiple entry, so you don't have to stay there. Yeah, there's some music, someone is playing some music. So you don't have to stay for complete 6 months. This is not allowed. Only 3 months maximum you can stay at one visit, but in total in those 12 months you can stay for 6 months. What happens is, last time when she came, she only came for 52 days. That means obviously she can come again. So many days are left. Her visa is expiring on 27th of May, the coming May. And I want her to come here on 24th May before her visa expires, so that she can stay here for 3 months and then leave in August. And she was like, how can it be possible? My visa expires on 27th May and you want me to stay till there? I'm like, the visa is just for the entry. And per entry, you can stay for 3 months. So it is fine. It is written in your conditions. She's like, no. This can't be right. I'm like, okay, just for your satisfaction, we'll ask the immigration officer. We called the immigration, we told her client number and everything. And that's what they told us very clearly, that you are reading the conditions right. She can come here and stay for 3 months. But no, she would not even believe us. I clearly told her that I have asked the only possible person who can tell you the information, and they are saying you are good to go, you can come. She's like, no, I asked some agents over here. They are saying it's not possible. I'm like, agent just wants your money. But she wouldn't understand. And finally, going back and forth, I even put that whole PDF into the ChatGPT and asked the same questions, and ChatGPT also gave the same answer that immigration officer gave. But no,
Her mom tried ChatGPT too, and she got different answers.
because she was asking wrong questions. If you give wrong prompts, you will get wrong answers. So finally, even after saying all of these things, she doesn't trust. She's like so scared. No, someone will stop me at the airport. She's so scared. I'm like, what are you scared of? I'm not some stranger. I'm your own son. But no, she wouldn't believe. Finally, I called the immigration again this time. And from the other phone, I was recording our conversation. And I asked the same questions and they were like, yeah, definitely she can come. And then, thankfully, I hope so, that now she has started to trust me. I've sent her the video. But this is so weird. I don't know why this happens. Is it quite common in Indian moms? You guys let me know if your mom does the same with you, that she doesn't trust you. So right now I have sent her ahead of us because there is a dog in that corner house, and every time we come here for a walk, and when he or she, whatever the dog is, when it barks, she gets really startled. So I sent her ahead of us, so if the dog would bark, she won't be startled at least. No, not today. Seems like the dog is not in the mood to bark today. ये देखो भाई, ये जो अभी आप देख रहे हो ना, तो अभी इस रोड पे काम चल रहा है। वहां पे अगर आप देख सकते हो तो काम चल रहा है ना, तो उसके लिए भी इस तरीके से काउंसिल कोन्स वगैरह लगाएगी, सब कुछ अच्छे तरीके से, कि आपको कोई भी दिक्कत ना आए, आप सब कुछ समझ पाओ। और फिर यहाँ पे जिसको भी, ये देखो ये वाला रोड जिस तरह ब्लॉक है ना, साइड वाला, जिसको भी यहाँ से अब लेफ्ट लेना था ना, आगे जाना था, उसको अब डी टूर करना पड़ेगा। और डी टूर भी मार्क्ड होते हैं यहाँ पे अच्छे से। तो मतलब डी टूर मतलब यहाँ से वो रॉन्ग साइड नहीं जा सकता, वो आगे से जाके लेफ्ट लेगा, और वो डी टूर भी अच्छे से वहां पे मार्क होगा। और देखो कहाँ पे काम खत्म होता है, उसके भी साइन लगाते हैं, सारी चीज।
Baby, hey, baby, ah.
He's looking at the sky. Let's go. So ये बहुत अच्छी चीज है भाई, जिस तरीके से यहाँ पे ये रूल्स वगैरह कॉमन पब्लिक के लिए, उनकी सेफ्टी के लिए बना रखे हैं ना, बहुत बढ़िया लगता है भाई मुझे। छोटी छोटी चीज पे भी इतना ध्यान दिया हुआ है, मजा ही आ जाता है। इस लेवल की कंसर्न जब सारी सरकारें दिखाने लगेंगी अपने लोगों के लिए, तो भाई क्या ही मजा आएगा, सोचो। और ये कल्चर में जम चुकी है इनकी, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई एक सरकार का काम है, ये इनका कल्चर है। अब कोई भी सरकार आए, कितनी सरकार बदलें, ये जो बेसिक चीज़ें है ना, ह्यूमैनिटी, एक लाइफ के लिए वैल्यू, वो कभी नहीं बदलेगी किसी भी सरकार में। ये चीज़ है। अब देखो जिस तरह यहाँ पे अभी इनने कोन लगा के ये दिखा रखा है कि वर्क एंड्स, तो यहाँ वर्क एंड दिखा दिया कि हाँ भाई यहाँ पे इससे आगे जाके कोई काम नहीं हो रहा। और वो देखो वो डी टूर फॉलो लिखा हुआ है ना, ऐसे बोर्ड, डी टूर अहेड। बेसिकली अगर आपको राइट लेना था तो देखो वहाँ पे लगा रखा है उन्होंने कि राइट नहीं ले सकते, सीधा जाओ। नीचे एरो है ना, ये सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे इतने अच्छे से मेंशन करके दिखते हैं कि किसी को भी कोई तकलीफ ना हो जाए।